welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and if you're my existing subscriber and viewing this video, thank you so much for returning. I'm very excited to do this video because it's on something that I've been wanting for a very long time, but never got it for whatever reason. I picked up a microphone. I just wanted the sound quality of my videos to sound better, so I thought that by picking this up, it would do just that. I got it from Amazon and it cost $53.26 Canadian. It's by Comica, I think that's how you say it. The model is V30 LITE. I'm not a techie or anything, so I'm just gonna read you what it says on the box, on the back. Now for the features, it says super cardioid polar pattern. Supports both smartphone and camera, which is great. Excellent shock mount. No battery driven design. Super low noise electronics. Super anti-interference. Cold shoe design with a quarter thread at the bottom. And it's compact, light, and easy to carry, which is great. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm super excited. And it came in a different color as well. I think it was red and black, but I just went for all black. This is what it looks like. It is so cute. So here you would just plug it into your camera or your device. Here's the mount. And then right here is the switch. So for camera and your cell phone. So obviously if you want it for your cell phone, switch it to cell phone, camera, switch it to camera, because if you don't do that, it's not gonna work. Why don't we put this to the test? So as you can see, I'm filming in the same space. I'm at the same distance as I was before. Let's go ahead and switch the microphone off so that you can see the difference. Do you feel that there's a difference? Which one sounds better? Do you feel it sounds better with the microphone or without the microphone? Or does it sound the same? Let me know in the comments below. Let's do another test though, because when I film in two spots. Right now I'm in my living room, and then I have another area of my apartment where I film in. So we're gonna go ahead and try the other spot. Alrighty, so I'm in my other filming area. As you can see, the background is different. I have connected the microphone again to my camera, hoping that it sounds a lot nicer quality-wise. Let's try it without the microphone. There we go, the microphone has been disconnected. Are you able to hear the difference between the microphone and not using the microphone? Does it sound better? Let me know in the comments below. That's everything to my video. It's very quick. As I said, I'm not a techie, so I can't really go into all the nitty gritty, but that's just the basics of it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll definitely answer them for you. I will put the link for the microphone in the goodie box, so check that out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and like the sound quality with the microphone. I'll be using it going forward for sure. If you haven't subscribed, definitely hit that red button and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!